Hi guys, today I'm gonna drink from this water removing thing with my Dalandan juice thing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. This feels disgusting. Oh yeah, I washed this with soap, water, and anything more. It worked. It's like the I will just get one scoop, one sip, blah blah blah. It's like this stereotype. The bills cannot be this high. Okay, bye guys. Spelling.